It's been 2 weeks since I came back from Bali, and I keep waiting for this feeling to pass. This strange homesickness for a place that was never really home. While standing in the country where I was born, in an apartment that I bought and filled with all my belongings, but still feeling homesick. I thought that coming back would feel like putting on an old sweater, familiar and comfortable. Instead, it feels like trying to fit into clothes that belong to someone else. Someone I used to be. Of course, seeing my family again, hugging my friends, being reunited with my cat who was staying with my parents, sleeping in my own bed. These moments have been so nice. But it's like I'm watching my old life through a new lens. So I'm back at my old job for the summer, and it's been really nice to see all my friends that I work with. Some of them are literally my best friends, and I'm really lucky that I get to see them at work. And, it's been nice to make stuff again, get all my tools out. It's actually not as bad as I was expecting it to be going back. But I find that people kind of like to put you into a box, and you're not allowed to leave that box because people don't know where to label you. I even get it at work sometimes because I make props, I build them. Then there's a separate department for painting, and I like doing both. And sometimes if there's not model making work, then I can ask the painters if they have any work, and vice versa. It kind of just opens up my options, so I learned to do both, but it really confuses people. Sometimes they'll see me in the paint department and be like, but I thought you were a prop maker. And then they'll see me in the prop making department and they'll be like, but I thought you were a painter. But why does it matter? We're such diverse beings that it really confuses me when people want to just put you in one box. I have so many interests. I have so many things I love doing, and I want to try all of them. I don't like being pinned into one box and this is all I do. And yeah, it makes me feel really claustrophobic. This is just something I've noticed of comments of people when I've come back. It's wanting to know which box to place me in. And maybe it's because I don't know which box I want to be placed in yet. I've been trying to fall back in love with this place. I've always loved the British summertime. How warm and sweet the air smells. How it stays light until 10 p.m. some nights. How the wildflowers grow along the side of the river. And how the berries come into season. I could honestly eat my weight in fresh berries. In August, there are a load of blackberry bushes near my apartment, and I'll go and forage a huge basket of them. Eating them straight from the bush is one of my favourite things to do. Despite all of the things that I enjoy about summer here, there's still a big part of me longing to be back in Bali. Grant is still there, and even though we talk every day, it's a constant reminder of the life I left behind. Recently I've been battling with this question which I'll pose to you too, and it's this. What does home mean for you? Is it the physical building you live in, the location you've chosen to put roots down into? Maybe it's the creature comforts you surround yourself with, your favourite books, the plants and knickknacks that line your shelf that make the space yours. Or perhaps it's the people, your family around the dinner table, friends who have been there through thick and thin. Maybe it's one person. That's someone who makes you feel like you could be at home anywhere in the world, as long as they're there. I wish I could tell you I figured this out. I wish I could say with confidence that home is something self-contained, that I'm always home within myself, that I carry it with me wherever I go. It would feel really empowering to answer, none of these things matter, I'm complete on my own.
But I also don't feel like that's true either. I've been trying to see this time as something other than just waiting. Like this is part of the journey too. This uncomfortable in-between space where you're not who you were, but you're also not yet who you're becoming. So I'm trying to be present here, take an exhale, to appreciate all the conveniences of being in England and to spend time with my friends. As I'm still figuring out the answer to the question of where is home for me, I'm pretty sure the answer evolves as we do. I'm sure that the answer will be different in different times of our life. And maybe home isn't a place you find, maybe it's a feeling you create. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.